I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you a really cool 1964 Dodge Polara. This Polara was restored by a gentleman down south who sold the vehicle to a gentleman out west. I actually purchased it from him directly. He actually spent some time with this car, did some small improvements along the way, took it on some lengthy rides and just had an absolute blast driving it. This is a car that I would really describe as somebody is just simple and fun. One of my mechanics, Wayne Arnold, said it's one of his favorite cars we've ever had here at the dealership because, again, it's just a real simple car. It's fun. It kind of screams at you when you look at it. The body is in really nice condition. It's got really nice red paint. A lot of the bright work has been done. The glass is in beautiful condition. It has really cool kind of error correct Crager SS style chrome wheels. It also has a really nice black interior. The headliner is actually a white color here. The dash is all in beautiful condition. All the gauges are in beautiful condition. The door panels, the seats, this nice bench seat, it's all black and it's all been redone. Everything in this interior is in really nice condition. The engine compartment is one of the highlights of the car. It's really a detailed engine compartment. It sports a 383 crate engine that really has some good power, sounds really nice through the exhaust system. The engine's actually coupled to a 727 automatic transmission, which is basically operated with the buttons here on the dash. If you haven't seen a car with these buttons here rather than a gear shift lever, it's actually really cool to operate these. Definitely something different. It also has power steering, so it steers really nice. The undercarriage is really solid, really clean. We kind of freshened it up a little bit underneath when we got it. Again, this is just a super cool car. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. It starts every single time and absolutely purrs like a kitten.